And so there we have it. The worst kept secret in motovlogging history is finally revealed. Of course, it's a Kawasaki ZZR 1400. Thank you guys so much for your patience. Apologies in the delay in the reveal. The bike has come from Manchester, and I could have gone and got it and it would have been really quick, but I didn't fancy that ride as the first ride being so far away from Manchester. So apologies for that. Big thank you and shout out to Yules Motorcycles, who I've purchased the bike from, especially Johnny. You're an absolute star, mate. Really appreciate all the help. Very good on the communication, and ultimately set up the delivery as well, which was some good rates. So Yules Motorcycles, link will be in the description. Go check them out if you're in the market for new or second-hand motorcycle. Their stock's always incredible, and well, just look at the condition of this. It's amazing. Some more shout outs. Darren, HBB Motorcycles, he's been so helpful in getting me loads of information, loads of things to look out for, etc. Modifications, all that, adjustments, whatever have you. So yeah, big thank you to you, mate. Link as well for HBB Motorcycles will be down in the description. And of course, then some other motovloggers, Grey Wolf, Zhead, and Roland Keefe, who of course all own Kawasaki ZZR 1400s. They've been influential in making sure that this was the next bike for me. So thank you guys so much. It's worked. Here it is. Another big shout out as well to Simon GTR 1400, who of course a few months ago let me ride his GTR 1400. That just as well, it cemented the fact that I wanted a Kawasaki 1400. I just went with the ZZR because I'm I'm still in my 20s and didn't feel as a GTR was right just yet. But yeah, no offense to you no offense to you GTR guys. The bike's awesome, of course. So yeah, that is it. That is the reveal, all done and dusted. I know I'm waffling, so apologies for that. Congratulations on those who guessed correctly on what the bike was. If you do like the ZZR 1400, why not drop this video a like? I'd really appreciate it. Why not comment down below what you think? I love to hear from you guys. It's the best thing about doing this. And if you're not subscribed to the channel, why not consider subscribing? Because yeah, all the videos now are going to feature this awesome, beautiful machine. Unfortunately, I'll be there as well, but that's only because someone has to record and edit it, so beggars can't be choosers. Right guys, why not head over to Instagram as well, drop me a follow at TheRhythmicBiker. It'd be so cool to chat with you guys, share some photos, and of course, yeah, you guys can see the ZZR repeatedly, almost every day. Alright guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and until the next time, cheers.